In Erickson versus Queen Valley Ranch Company, we'll see whether a party who diverts water in a manner that causes unnecessary waste has put the water to beneficial use. John Pedro owned a large ranch in California near the California-Nevada border. In 1902, Pedro acquired appropriative water rights to Morris Creek, which flowed into California from Nevada. Pedro built a diversion dam located a half-mile from the state border. Pedro then built a diversion ditch from the dam that carried the entire flow of the creek by gravity to Pedro's ranch. Data showed that the flow from the creek near the diversion dam was 2.585 cubic feet per second. However, by the time the water reached the ranch, the flow was reduced by 5/6 to only 0.424 cubic feet per second due to water loss caused by evaporation and water absorption into the soil. Pedro died in 1916. However, Pedro's widow and his children continued to live on the ranch and used water from the creek for non-commercial farming, livestock, and other domestic uses until the family sold the ranch to Ernest Erickson and other buyers in 1966. Before Erickson acquired the property, the state of Nevada issued Queen Valley Ranch an appropriative rights permit that allowed Queen Valley to transport water from Morris Creek through a pipeline to irrigate its Nevada property. Queen Valley's permit was subordinate to any pre-existing rights found by the courts. However, after Erickson acquired the property, Queen Valley's pipeline stopped the flow of water from the creek into the diversion ditch. The water flow was later partially restored to the ditch. Erickson and the other landowners sued Queen Valley to quiet title to Morris Creek. Queen Valley argued that Erickson didn't have an appropriative water right because Pedro's family didn't make beneficial use of the water from the creek during the 1950s and 60s. The trial court ruled in favor of Erickson and held that Erickson and the other landowners were the appropriative owners of all the water diverted from the creek. Queen Valley appealed.